Vocabulary Quiz 6.10. Number 1. Marco's grandfather is so blank, it looks like you could crush his arms with one squeeze. Feeble, nonchalant, moral, abusive. Number 2. I had a lot of blank for Suzanne when she told me that she felt like everyone was mad at her. Senseless, abuse, compassion, morals. 3. Please blank his letter 22 times and hand a copy to everyone in the class. Taunt, duplicate, dictate, course. 4. If you ask me, people who blank animals should go to jail. Nonchalant, duplicate, dictate, abuse. Number 5. I know Eric's feelings were hurt when I blank him about his haircut, but you've got to admit, it looks pretty bad. Taunted, feeble, duplicated, dictated. Number 6. Why would a person dictate a novel? They hated books. They loved to read. They owned a bookstore. They didn't know how to type. Number 7. Which of the following statements would indicate that you are feeling nonchalant? You look ridiculous. I'm not worried. I'm so angry right now. I'm sorry. 8. Which of the following is an example of the word moral? John strongly believes that it is wrong to lie. Amy tried to lift the weight, but she was too weak. Marvin pointed at Kelly's outfit and laughed. Sybil felt sorry for Mark because he had no friends. 9. Which sentence is senseless? Jan is younger than her brother. Jan did not understand the book. Jan is deaf. Jan hopped ugly balloons with pizza. Number 10. Which of these is an example of a course? A swing set, a gym, a racetrack, a jump rope.